Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle late payments in Lendio. Missing a payment can affect both your lender relationship and your business credits, but Lendio provides ways to manage the situation. Here's what to do. First, log into your Lendio dashboard using your credentials and navigate to the loans section. There, you're going to review the repayment schedule to confirm the missed payment date and amount. Now check for any late fees or penalties that are applied by your lender. And if funds are available, use the make a payment options to clear the overdue balance immediately. If you cannot pay in full, then contact your assigned Lendio funding manager or the lender directly via the support tab. Request available options such as payment extensions, partial payment, or restructuring. Upload any required financial documents to support your request, and be sure to monitor your updated repayment schedule in the dashboard after the changes are made. Setting up autopay in advance is going to reduce the risk of missing deadlines and of course help you to protect your credit profile, so be sure to set that up. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.